Again, we're at the point, problem number 5. We've done quite a few of these problems, and I think you know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to use a zero product rule. So I look at the equation. The first thing I would do is I would just rewrite it so it equals 0. The next thing I did was I made a substitution, and that's a substitution I've made, all right? So let me write down, if u is equal to minus 3 halves, I'm wondering how that's related to the minus 3. Well, that means u squared would equal x to the minus 3, all right? So that's why I did that substitution. And what would you get? You get the next line, which is this line right over here. Whoops, sorry about that. Which is line over here. What do I do next? Factor. And it factors nicely. It really does. 64 times 1 is 64. Then you get plus 64 minus 1, which is 63, and you get the minus u squared. And then I get the u equals 64, or the u equals minus 1. Let me go through that with you. Remember, u is equal to x to the minus 3 halves. And I'm getting the other one, which is, minus 1, right? Yeah, minus 1 is equal x to the minus 3 halves. All right? So the bottom line now is, what do you do? I guess you got to solve this, right? And the way I would do it, I think I would probably square both sides. And what do you get? You get 1 equals x to the minus 3. And that means x equals 1. All right, let me do the other one. And if you do that whenever you get 64 squared equals x to the minus 3. It's more complicated, I know that. And let's write this down. And 64, let's just go, whoops, sorry about that. My fingers are a little bit jumpy today. 64 is 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. It's 2 to the 6. So this is going to be 2 to the 12th equals x to the minus 3. Well, that's going to be, let's see, you could raise both sides to the minus 1/3. So that would be 2 to the minus 4 is equal to x. And 2 to the minus 4 is 1/16, and that equals x. Now, I'm kind of wondering why they don't have 1 written over here. Let me go through that with you and show you that 1 is the solution to the problem. And I'll have to correct my key, by the way. 64, it's actually the easiest one to check, by the way, plus 63, if x is 1, minus 1. And what does that give you? That gives you 0. So I didn't list that for, I don't know why, but x equals 1. And I got to correct that. All right? Thank you.